Imagine building a consistent automated online income stream that puts steady profits in your pocket every single month without creating products, handling fulfillment, or dealing with complicated marketing. In just 5 days, you could master a simple, proven white label arbitrage formula that's generating thousands for everyday people, all in under an hour a day. Sound impossible? Let me show you how. If you're like most aspiring entrepreneurs, you've tried all sorts of online opportunities. Maybe you launched a product that didn't sell, wasted weeks building funnels no one clicked on, or spent money on ads that never paid off. The grind leaves you frustrated, stuck, and doubtful that any of this online income stuff actually works. What's worse, most methods out there are just too complicated. They drain your time, force you into endless client chasing, and make you feel like a tech rookie who can't keep up. Meanwhile, the gurus keep pushing old overhyped solutions that crumble when the economy shifts. But what if instead of working harder, you worked smarter? What if you could position yourself strategically to profit from premium transactions that are already happening every day? What if you could earn 70% plus margins while others handle all the work? No fuss, no heavy lifting, and no guesswork. This is where our white label arbitrage system comes in. My name is Neil Napier. Over the last 12 years, I've built multiple successful online businesses. I've seen what doesn't work, and more importantly, I've discovered what does. Our arbitrage system is the distilled formula of everything we have learned. No fluff, no extras, just a step-by-step system for generating consistent income online with minimal effort. Our team has taught this to hundreds of students, many of whom went from zero to thousands in commissions, all without wrestling with tech headaches or spending hours glued to their screens. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a marketing genius. Our system focuses on leveraging premium opportunities that already exist. Your role, simply position yourself correctly and let our system handle everything else. It's like having a profitable business without any of the traditional overhead or work. Don't just take my word for it. We've got students who started from scratch and quickly began making $500, $1,200, even $10,000 monthly. Some have scaled beyond $50K in just a few projects. They're not building funnels or creating products. They're leveraging our proven arbitrage formula. It's flexible, scalable, and designed to thrive in any economy, including 2025's uncertain market. Welcome to our White Label Arbitrage Masterclass, a live 5-day training where I'll walk you through this entire system step by step. Each day we tackle a critical piece of the puzzle. Day 1, lay the foundation, discover your why, understand high-ticket opportunities, and set the stage for automated income. Day 2, master our arbitrage formula. Learn how to identify profitable positions and generate consistent returns. Day 3, system automation. Put your income generation on autopilot so you can earn while focusing on what matters most. Bonus day 4 and 5 will tie it all together, overcome any roadblocks, and fine-tune your strategy. Plus, you'll get a live Q&A to ensure you're never stuck. On top of the 5-day live training, you also get 24-hour replay access. Revisit every session and never miss a thing. Private Facebook community gets support, feedback, and guidance from fellow students and our team of experts. Cliff note summaries, quick reference guides so you can take action fast. 2 bonus days of advanced training. Accelerate your success even further. Invite a partner spouse for free, learn together, and double your impact. All of these bonuses, worth well over $2,000, are yours absolutely free when you join today. Let me be honest with you, if you're still watching this, you already know something needs to change. You're tired of watching others succeed while you struggle to make progress, wasting time on complicated systems that never deliver, missing out on life because you're chained to your computer, feeling stuck while the gurus keep selling you dreams. I get it. I've been exactly where you are. That's why our arbitrage system strips away all the nonsense. No complex funnels, no endless client chase, no technical headaches, just a proven system that works in any economy. Think about this. A few months from now, you could be generating 70% plus profit margins consistently, running your entire business in under an hour a day, finally having the freedom to focus on what matters, building real, sustainable wealth on your terms, or you could be in exactly the same place you are right now. The only difference, the decision you make in the next few minutes. Now, I invested over $100,000 in developing and perfecting this system. Students regularly pay $997 for this training because they know the return is worth multiples of that investment. But today, I'm doing something different. Because I want to eliminate every single barrier between you and success, I'm offering a one-time opportunity to join virtual commissions for just $37. That's a 96% discount, less than the dinner cost for two. Why am I practically giving this away? Because I'm betting on you. You will become our next success story once you see how simple and effective this system is. But remember, this isn't some recorded course you can watch anytime. This is live training with real-time support, feedback, and guidance. That means seats are strictly limited. When they're gone, they're gone. And when that timer hits 0, this opportunity disappears. So you have a choice to make. You can close this page and search for the perfect opportunity. Or you can take action now. Invest a tiny $37 and finally learn a proven system for generating consistent online income. The decision is simple. If you're serious about creating real change in your life, click the button below and secure your spot before someone else does. Remember, you're protected by our complete satisfaction guarantee. We'll make it right if you show up, participate, and don't see the value. The only real risk, letting this opportunity slip away and wondering, what if? So click the button below, join the Virtual Commissions Masterclass, and let's get started. Your future of financial freedom and flexibility is waiting.